Are you looking for the best terrarium kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best terrarium kits that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the TerraGreen Creations Fairy Garden Kit. It is interesting to have TerraGreen Creations because the terrarium kit includes everything you need for plantings and excitement. The kit includes items such as chia seeds, river pebble, toadstool mushrooms, moss, activated charcoal, pea gravel and organic soil. This is all it takes you to seed planting at home for yourselves or children. Meanwhile, it takes only a few days for sprouting that enables fun and excitement for planting seeds. You can use the included seeds to plant for others several times, and it isn't just your only first time to plant those seeds. There shouldn't be a worry for those seeds to die, even though we should encourage each other to take good care of those seeds. TerraGreen Creations can be a good thing as a gift for your friends and family members. Lastly, moving on at number 4, we have the Kimdio Geometric Terrarium Clear Glass Tabletop. Kimdio is constructed with calcium glass. Meanwhile, there are some ingredients in the package such as preserved flowers, artificial moss, cactus, ferns, small plants, air plants, succulents and more that allow you to plan your personal gardens. In addition, we advise you to place a water-absorbing layer at the bottom to avoid leaks. Kimdio requires drainage for the water to flow and let the plants grow healthily. Plus, you can place it at hotels, coffee shops, kitchens, bedrooms, living homes and more. You can present this as a gift for holidays, birthdays or Christmas for your friends and families. There are different types of packages which feature different color choices for the containers. At number 3, we have the Dan&Darci Bright Light Terrarium Kit. Dan&Darci 2 is an attractive package for a terrarium kit. It includes anything you need such as spray bottles, wooden sticks, removable stickers, windmill miniatures, small owl, chia seeds, wheatgrass, river rocks, red sands, soil and more. We can light up inside the bottle with a lid that can be charged via a cable. Plus, the pack is very engaging. You can turn on the LED light at night or switch it off. Children like it because the pack is designed to be so decorative and attractive to children. Everyone likes it because all of the mentioned qualities. Lastly, at number 2, we have the Cute Farms Terrarium Starter Kit. These are all the ingredients featured in the Cute Farms package. Those ingredients are such as finishing tools, plant food, river stones, pea pebbles, gardening vermiculite, activated charcoal and more. These are all interesting ingredients for us to make it happen by planting our own seeds and making our own mini and small gardens. Furthermore, all it takes you is your own containers. Please make sure the container has its own drainages. For kids, adults might need to advise them. Lastly, please follow the instructional manual for letting things work out properly and plants grow healthily. And finally at number 1, we have the Dan&Darci Light Up Terrarium Kit. We get full satisfaction warranties from the company for Dan&Darci Terrarium Kit. There should not be a doubt over the product's quality. Additionally, the terrarium kit includes everything such as wooden stick, spray bottle, removable stickers, mushroom miniatures, small bunny, chia seeds, wheatgrass, river rocks, blue sand and more. More specially, there is an instruction manual so that children and adults can follow to make the magic happen with Dan&Darci. Besides, there are LED lights, so we can illuminate the bottle of planting with it. Both children and adults can start to enjoy it both days and nights. Lastly, you can turn off the LED lights at wills, which is a bonus for considering the pack for yourselves or your kids.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.